What's going on, everybody? You got the old Mongo man here in the shop. This carburetor is gonna make it run. We're gonna make it run, boys. I think I'm gonna have to pull that all the way out of there. Aha! I got it out of there. All right, what else is froze? Ta-da! I think he gave me the wrong starter. Son of a... Two brand new 3108S's here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. See how these are the same? I am 90% sure that this other starter came out of, I don't even know where it came from. Clifford?
Like I've done this before. Well, be a little more specific than that. That's got slim options. Right there behind the radius on the drive. The rear radius on the drive. No, that's what we'll be working on. Good. About the best you're gonna get. This is the 7-year-old. Oh, good enough. Look at the agglomeration, dude.
Brum, 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 brum. Boom.
So everything goes up. Yep. Watch your eyes, everybody. Yep.
Smack it down there. That's easy. Hold it on, Kenny.
Huh?
Hold it on. Hey. I mean, deadlock. Had to take this.
You guys are gonna catch this.
All right, George. Hold it. All right. Let's have oil pressure, George.
Not a lot.
All right.
Good.
Yep.
Oh, never.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man out here in Kenny's garage. It's about 6 o'clock Saturday afternoon. Played a little bit with the old rusty XLS here today, but we went and got something for the XLS that a lot of people were probably going to say, Mongo, what are you doing? Because if you're not saying it, I sure am. I can tell you that. You know, we were messing around today. This door, if you remember, didn't close before. Now it closes really nice and opens, just like a Bullnose door is supposed to. What I have to do now is work on that driver or passenger door. We did get the bed all cleaned out. Like they said in the live, if you continue to clean that bed much, there's not going to be much left of the bed. The floor's pretty much gone out of that. The bottoms of the doors are gone, at least the bottom of the driver's door is gone. But I knew that. We did make it run, as you could see in that video here that we talked about, and it actually sounds pretty good. But this is what a lot of people don't understand, what we're going to end up doing with this truck and why I've been messing with it. So that right there is a turbo off of a 7.3 liter Power Stroke diesel, the OBS version. And my plan is to 100% bolt that thing to this 351. Not in its current configuration, of course, but eventually that is the plan for the rusty XLS, is to bolt that turbo to it and have some fun with it. But as you guys have seen in the videos, the frame of this truck is totally roached to the point where I don't believe we'll be able to use it. And that leads me into today's road trip. Kenny and I went to Waynesburg and picked this up. What we have here is a 1996 F150, 306, automatic, two-wheel drive. And as you can see, this was a North Carolina truck. The frame on this thing is gorgeous, and I do mean gorgeous. So this will be our frame for the rusty XLS. Now, I'm not planning on doing any of this anytime soon, but it is going to happen at some point. We picked this frame up off of one of KJ's buddies, and he had went down to get it just for parts, but as you can see there, looks like it went through a fence, maybe a split rail fence, and put that split rail right through the radiator and into the engine. But it didn't hurt the engine, it just pushed everything back into it. The old 306 we think still runs, but this frame is gorgeous, like I said, and it will be a great frame for what I want to do. It's got the 8.8 in the rear with 355 gears and a limited slip, and of course two-wheel drive front axle up front. But like I was saying to the guys when we loaded this thing, those Southern boys don't know how good they got it. Look at the rust-free situation going on here with this axle. It ain't even right. Ain't even right. We're hoping to go ahead and sell the rad support off of this frame, which it's in really nice shape, as well as this 306. And the automatic transmission. The rest of it we're going to keep. So that's it for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed what we've had going on there. Just a little messing around with the XLS, trying to make that thing run. Once we do make it run, it's going to go out and sit in the corner, and we are going to get on the Bronco here post haste. So stick around, make sure that you guys keep checking on what we're doing over here at Mongo's Garage, and we will see you all very soon. Again, thanks for being here, guys. Check us out. There's plenty of other stuff to watch on the channel, and we will see you again. Talk to you all later. The old Mongo Man's out. I did promise everybody a sneak peek at the interior.